Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I am back with another iPad Pro 11 case review. This time we are going to be looking at the Moshi VersaCover. This is the origami type case for your iPad Pro 11 inch. Let's check it out. Now, I got a lot of comments, a lot of questions asking about this case. This is the Moshi VersaCover. It's for the iPad Pro 11. I want you to notice the front is like a faux leather type material. The back is made out of a plastic shell. You have rubber around the edges. Now, I already have the tablet over in here. I'm going to do a brief demonstration of how this actually works. But first, I want to do a little real estate on this case. Notice you have the flap, and it is magnetic. You get the Moshi branding right here on this piece of metal. That magnetically closes. It doesn't let go. Okay. You get Apple charging built into this tablet. So we see, I'm going to take this off. We got Apple charging, and we protect the pencil as well when we snap around back. Look at our camera. It's in there. It's really close, but it's protected. It's really close, but it is protected, so it won't get hurt or get scratched up when you sit it down. Right here, speakers and mics are up top, good and open. Down bottom, speakers and charging port look well. All of our buttons. This one is nice and tactile up top. Perfect. Now let's get to the inside, because this is where all the fun happens on the Moshi. Now the Moshi has a microfiber lining right here. Notice this is magnetic. Now we're going to talk about this case and how you actually can fold it in different shapes and different ways to get different types of stands. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold it so that it goes back just like that, closes in like a triangle. You're going to stand it up right here, and you get mode number 1. Notice it's just basically at a triangle in the back. Next mode, you're just going to come up from that. You get this watching mode. So it's basically just standing on that edge, just like so. Now the next mode, it's a little bit more complicated. I'm going to fold that one down, fold this one back now, and this one is more straight up in the air. And then you can fold it like this, and you get a lower mode for like a typing mode. But really nice case. It's going to run you about 50 bucks. You can go check them out on their website, and you can actually go buy these on Google. It is not as protective as some of the other cases that I have, and it actually reminds me of the Otterbox Symmetry series. The flap that goes around the pencil. It does have auto sleep wake, which that is always a big plus. It protects, it charges the pencil at the same time, and it allows you to see that nice Apple insignia in the back. Also, when you have this folded back behind the tablet, the magnet holds everything down, so you don't have to worry about your case flopping around in the back when you're holding it in this mode, just like this. Great case by great company. Have no problems with it, no issues. I'm really liking it. I'm going to be using it for a few days just to see how much, I really like my Zugu, and I've been using that one on a daily basis, but I'm going to try this one out for a few days just to see how much I like it. Also, I do have a screen protector on here. I'm still using my Skinomi tempered glass screen. A lot of people commented that they had issues with lag and things of that nature. I did have those issues with certain cases, but with this case, I've had no issues whatsoever as of yet. Now, I will let you know if anything does happen, but as of right now, I've had no issues. So I'll be sure to leave a link below so you can go pick up one of these if you'd like to. It seems like a solid case. It has everything that you need, all the functionality, and it's at a great cost as well. So be sure, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.